How to make a poll in Facebook's Messenger. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First you open Messenger, and since you can only have polls in group chats, I will tell you right now how to exactly create one. You can tap on the pen in the top right corner and then tap on create a new group chat. From here tap on the members that you want in that group. Once you're done, tap on next in the top right corner. Now tap right here to give your group a name. And once you're done from that, tap on create in the top right corner. Now open that group and tap on the 4 dots in the bottom left corner right here. Tap on polls. From this screen, tap on what's your poll about and write your question. Once you're done from writing your question, you can tap on add option in the bottom right here and write in the answers that you want on that poll. You can add multiple answers. I will just add 2 for the example of this video. Once I'm done, I tap on create poll. Wait for a couple of seconds and the poll will be added to the group chat and everybody can vote by tapping on vote right here and then tapping on one of the answers and then tap on submit. And just like that, the poll is created and you have voted on it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.